Alright, let's hope everything goes okay. Alright, so today I'm going to show you how we can use a nice texture projection technique which can make the life of the artist, the texture artist, a lot easier. Now, of course, this isn't any sort of magic fix, but it is going to, in my opinion, make the workflow a lot easier. So, what we have here is a box. I was fortunate enough to receive it with fucked up unwrapping, so I'm going to have to quickly redo this. It shouldn't be too hard, especially since it's such a simple object. So actually, what I'm going to do is just go to the front viewport and I'm going to reset. I don't care if this makes less sense like this, but you know, whatever. Okay, just put a UVW map on this and go view line, fit, and collapse to. Yes. Okay. Quickly make a checkerboard here. Alright. So, as you can see, this projection will really work out. So, okay, let's get to unwrapping this shit. I just did that because it makes it easier when the whole thing is free from edges and you can cut it up properly. Alright, now this shouldn't take too long. Alright, let's just open up UV editor and break. I probably should take a projection of the edge here. Probably not a good idea to have that relaxed because that's just gonna create problems. Alright, that is supposed to be working, but apparently it isn't. Okay, break, and finally maybe here also break. Yeah, and on the outside. Okay, really tired of this shit not working. Alright. Oh, wow. Okay, and maybe probably from somewhere from behind. At least I hope this is the back face part of it. Break. Alright, now this should have each sort of area. Yeah, that should be one. The inside, yeah, that should be two. And then that should be that area, which we're going to do separately, not with relax, but with something else. And then these two should be these two. Okay. So okay, let's take this one and just quickly. All right, so you see what I did there. It's I think in your original, if I can pull it up real quick. No, okay. I don't know if I should really waste time with this, but all right. Okay, where is the? Okay, so here you cut up each face into a different area and a different UV island, and the reason this is not good is because you're gonna have more seams than needs be. So this is gonna make it more uneven, and of course I'm gonna talk about why this would make it difficult for the artist too. Okay, let's just quickly relax this one as well. Alright, no problems there. I think there's gonna be problems here. Okay, relax. Alright. Relax. Okay. And now we get this one, which is not gonna. Oh, it actually unwrapped it quite nicely. So that's pretty much all of it. And what you're gonna notice is okay, so we might have to cut this up just because there's no way this is gonna fit into any square texture. And that's another thing. The artists, okay, I'm actually going to talk about that later. But okay, I guess I should be able to tell it. The artist is not won't have to worry ever again about having to draw a square texture or anything, because the final file that you're going to be using for the actual texture, though the parameters of those are going to be set by the 3D artist, and they're going to be correct. Okay, so one thing you should do is go to Tools and okay, Rescale Clusters. All right, now that's more like it. So if you can just position all these so we get a good filling of. Okay, I should probably break here and here. Yeah, because not because you can't unwrap it that way, but just so it fills out more space. And again, you don't have to worry about the artist is not going to be able to paint on this or anything. No, the only thing you'll have to worry about is filling out all the space, which I'm really failing to do at the moment. Okay, like this. Or actually, I could just take these. Come on, okay. So I just stuff all these UV islands in here. Okay, how about something? Okay, I'm not sure if I want to fuck around with this too much. Just there should be a reasonable distance between UV islands, so you probably shouldn't stack them together too tightly. Like here, right? They actually overlap. All right, so something like this. Let's just go to Rescale Clusters and make sure everything's uniform. Okay, so then this is unwrapped. You can see that this, oh god, it's not upright and it's all over the place, but yeah, it's not that big of a problem really. Okay, so this is done. Collapse too, yes.